Proton Pass and Google Password Manager are two popular tools for storing and managing passwords securely. The core difference lies in Proton Pass's emphasis on privacy and open source security, while Google Password Manager integrates seamlessly with Google services for convenience. Proton Pass is a privacy-focused password manager developed by Proton, known for its secure email service. It encrypts all your passwords locally on your device before syncing them across platforms, ensuring that only you have access to your data. Proton Pass uses zero-knowledge architecture, meaning even Proton cannot read your passwords. It supports multi-factor authentication and offers a clean, user-friendly interface. A key strength is its open source code, allowing security experts to audit its safety. However, Proton Pass is relatively new compared to other managers and may lack some advanced features, like password sharing or extensive autofill options. It is ideal for users who prioritize privacy and want strong encryption without relying on large tech ecosystems. Proton Pass also appeals to those who prefer transparency and security through open source software. Google Password Manager is built into Google accounts and browsers like Chrome and Android devices, offering seamless password saving and autofill across devices. It stores passwords encrypted in your Google account and uses Google's robust security infrastructure, including alerts for compromised passwords. Its integration with Google services makes it extremely convenient, providing automatic password generation and syncing without additional apps. However, Google Password Manager requires a Google account and stores data on Google's servers, which may raise privacy concerns for some users. It lacks some specialized security features like end-to-end encryption and open source transparency. Google Password Manager is best suited for users deeply embedded in the Google ecosystem who want hassle-free password management with solid baseline security and easy access across devices. Comparing Proton Pass and Google Password Manager highlights a trade-off between privacy and convenience. Proton Pass offers stronger privacy protections with end-to-end encryption and open source code, making it ideal for security-conscious users. However, it may require more setup and lack some advanced features. Google Password Manager excels in ease of use, automatic syncing, and integration with Google services, perfect for users who value convenience and already use Google products extensively. In real-world use, Proton Pass suits those who want maximum control over their data, while Google Password Manager fits users looking for a simple, built-in solution. Choosing between them depends on whether privacy or ecosystem integration is your priority. Choose Proton Pass if privacy and open source security are your top priorities, and you want full control over your password data without relying on big tech. Google Password Manager is the better choice for users seeking effortless password management integrated with Google's ecosystem. Its seamless syncing and solid security make it a practical option for everyday users who want convenience without sacrificing essential protection. Choose based on your needs.